I am a mother. I am a sister. I am a daughter. But I dreamt to be more. I have always lacked the confidence to face the challenges of this competitive world. I question myself at every step that I want to take. Will I be productive in a manufacturing environment? Will I be able to learn how to operate these modern equipment? I am not built to walk miles every day. And working in night shift is difficult and unsafe. I guess my dreams are to be dreamt, not to be lived. Or is it all a myth? I choose not to accept. Because I dream to be more. And so did TP Solar. They paved a way to make both of our dreams come true. They looked at us in a different way from all others. They saw the desire in me and nurtured the skills I need. They saw resilience in me and provided the strength I need. They saw an opportunity in me and they gave a future I need. Working at TP Solar, I found answers that I never did before. Working with TP Solar gave me a new identity that I hadn't discovered earlier. I am a woman, and I am more. I am not just my parents' responsibility. I am their pride. I am a role model to many. I inspire. I am Tirunelveli. I am TP Solar. I am the change that India needs. I am the future. And I am here to stay.